The pantry is an area that can get really messy really quick with all the day-to-day use. This pantry here just has tons of stuff thrown in with no rhyme or reason. We're about to fix that. The first step is to take everything out of your pantry. We're talking everything. Place all items in an open area where you'll have plenty of time to sort later. Next, I want to give this pantry a nice overhaul with a new shelving system. But before I install the new shelves, I want to give the inside of this pantry a quick paint job. I know some of you out there are saying I'm crazy for painting the inside of a pantry, so if you don't care that much, don't worry, you can skip this step. But for me, it makes a big difference. I want any part of the wall that's going to show through to look clean and perfect, so I'm painting it. I cut my wood shelves down to size to fit this pantry. I'm going to install a simple ledger board on each wall for the shelves to sit on top of. Remember when you do this to measure and vary your spacing between the shelves so you're able to accommodate taller and shorter items. Those cereal boxes are pretty tall. These shelves will make it easier to store bins and organizers on an even flat surface and will be able to hold more weight. I also want to tweak the layout a bit to make it more functional. We're going to add a pull-out drawer organizer at the bottom for storage. Now it's time for reorg. Before putting anything back into your pantry, take a look at your items and make sure nothing is stale, expired. If so, toss them out. Sort your products into baskets and bins by category and designate areas of your pantry for various food items. As a rule of thumb, the items that you're using the most should be kept at eye level. Kids' snacks should be in an easy-to-reach area so they can help themselves. Once you assign a place for everything in your pantry, label it as a visual reminder of where everything belongs. Here's a great idea for clear containers, and you don't even have to have awesome handwriting. Just print the words out in your favorite font on plain paper. Slip it into your canister and trace with a chalk marker. It looks cute, and you can wash it and swap it out as needed. One area you might not think to utilize is on the inside of your door. Mounted door shelves are a great place to add additional storage. Just make sure you have enough clearance inside your pantry so that the door can still close. I intentionally made the shelves inside a bit more shallow. This allowed me to be able to add that functional door storage solution and still be able to close the door. In just a couple hours, we completely transformed this pantry. It looks great, but most importantly, it's completely functional. Next time you go to grab a snack, you're gonna know just where to find it.